So originally we had done the demo for the device under test by renaming the entire contents of the package. So what I'm going to do now is, instead of adding it to everything, I'm just going to add the prefix to the library itself. So I'm going to put it to only the library. So the difference in this case would be on the source file settings. What we would do is, instead of renaming everything, I would copy this prefix. So I'm copying it here, and I'm not going to enable the renaming, and I'm not going to enable it on the libraries. And obviously, and I can choose even to exclude the project if I wanted. But what I'm going to do is, under the file itself, I'm going to be looking for the libraries, and then I can choose to only enable the library with the prefix that I wanted to have earlier. Now in this particular case, we have a library here, and then we also have a library under the clone registration. Now the clone registration library is part of the device under test library. So really, I could choose to prefix it as well, or it will just get the prefix by the virtue that it's under this library. Same thing if I had a class, I could choose to put the class inside the library and then not rename it. So let's see what this does. So I'm going to go ahead and save and build the package. So the package finished. I'm gonna just show it on the Explorer, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. And so I'm gonna come here and double click on it and install it. And I'm gonna pause the video and come back when it's done installing. So I finished installing, finished that, and then I'm just gonna tell it to show it on the palettes, and it's opening LabVIEW. It's opening on the other monitor, so I'll bring it in. I'll bring the SOBI over here. So there we go. And the difference now is, when I look at Control H, the help shows that the name now, sorry about that, again, Control H, was on the other monitor, there we go. The name is Delacorp_DUT device under test clonable, but the module, the VI itself, is just called a start module. So I only added the underscore prefix to the library itself. If we were to add this to a project, so if I created a blank project, I'll pause and come back. So I added the VI that we just created that has nothing in it, and then added the library itself. So you can see that it is installed directly in VI libraries. This the library has the prefix, but the VIs inside the library don't have it. And for the case of the clonable modules, that was multiple instance support, we did not prefix it, but because it's already under the prefix library, we are fine, right? So that's just, I just wanted to show you that that's another way of doing it, the prefixing. So there we go. This ends up having the prefix of the library, then the other library, and then the init. So just by prefixing the library, everyone within the library gets the prefix. Thank you.